In this video, we will see how to make the simple PowerPoint design. So for that, we will go to the insert option and insert some tables, right? So insert table and make it into a square without any design. Then you go to the figure, you take some copy some figure from your folder and paste it in this and send it back. Give the option send it back. Then click on the table to change the table properties. Click on the table and then go to choose the pen color, that is white in this. If you want to change the thickness of the line, then you can change it. In this it is 1, and then click on the border, then choose. So now the border has changed. Now you can do a filling of required the boxes, and you can type the text if you want in that in this region. You can change the text size also, and apart from wherever you want to fill some color in the boxes, you can give fill the colors, and if you want different colors, you can choose different colors and fill in this box, and you can add text. Apart from that, you can change the transparency of these fillings also, so by clicking on the table properties, and you adjust the transparencies which based on the your requirements. So in this way one can make the simple PowerPoint design. Thank you.